Hi everyone. In this lecture series, we are going to see about the types of the firewalls. In the last lecture series, we have discussed about the firewalls and why we are going for the firewalls and what are all the types of the firewalls. We are having two types of the firewall. One is hardware, another one will be the software. The next thing we are going to see about the types of the firewalls. So these are all the types of the firewall techniques, that is packet filter, application gateway, circuit level gateway, and bastion host. The first one we are going to discuss about the packet filter. As we discussed in the earlier video about the trusted network and untrusted network. So we are having both the public as well as the private. This is what we have seen in the firewalls. What do you mean by packet filter? Means just the each packet may be entering or leaving the network and accepts or rejects. It is based on the user defined rules. There will be some set of protocols. That protocols will be rejected or it may be accepted. So we have to use the firewall rule set. There will be some protocols. So from the protocols only the packet will be blocked or discarded. So from the trusted network it is given to that of the firewall rule set, and it allows the packet to the untrusted network. So that is what here we are saying as packet, it may be enter or leaving. So compared to the other, this packet filtering is effective and it is transparent to the users, but it is difficult to configure. So this is the thing that has been used in the packet filtering. The next one we are going to see about the application gateway. So what do you mean by this application gateway? In such a type of firewall remote host or network, it can interact only the proxy servers. So what is the purpose of the proxy server means it is responsible for hiding the details of the internet internal network. So here what are all the types, what are all the things we are used in this application gateway is users uses TCP slash IP application such as file transfer protocol and telnet services. These are the application gateway. So here this is the diagram represented. We are having two types of the connection. One is outside connection and the inside connection. So in the application gateway we have connected file transfer protocol, single mail transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, and the telecommunication network, that is telnet. So here it is very effective. The next one is the circuit level firewall. This can be standalone system or it may be used some specialized functions. It does not permit end-to-end TCP connection. Otherwise, it will set two TCP connections. So here we are using the various types of the circuits. Here we are using the level gateway situation in which the system administration would be used for the internal users. Already in the previous slide we have discussed about the application gateway, but in case of the circuit level gateway there will be in and out. There we are using some of the transfer protocol, but in this case the gateway can be configured to support application level or the proxy services on inbound connections, and circuit level functions for outbound connections. So here mainly we are hosting the inside and outside host with the help of the circuit level gateway. Then last one is the bastion host. So host, it is a special purpose computer and it is specifically designed to configured to withstand some of the attacks. So from the internet it is connected to that of the packet filtering router, and from this it is connected to that of the private as well as the uh, private network host with the help of the information server. So in generally, it is also host a single application and it also provides a platform for the application gateway and circuit level gateway, and it supports limited applications to reduce the threat of the computer. So telnet, SMTP, file transfer protocol, single mail transfer protocol, these are all the applications of this. So what is the purpose of the firewall? The main purpose of the firewall, it will stop hackers from accessing our computer. It protects our personal information. It blocks pop-up and it determines which programs can be accessed by the internet, and it blocks the invalid packets. That is what we are going for the firewalls. So what are all the things that firewall cannot do means it cannot prevent email viruses. So just with the help of the antivirus product only, we can update the definitions, and it can easily prevent the email viruses. After setting it initially, we can forget about that how it will require the periodic updates on the software. Thank you.